Hey, Jacob, look at this. Where's your tongue? Where's your ears?
Where's your soft ears, Floppy?
Yeah, and where's your nose? Honk, honk your nose.
Where's your nose?
Honk, honk. Yay! I thought he was going to get up. He went to put his back to the camera. Oh, wow. Does Jacob look like his dad?
Something different in the song, and I thought